Cece and Caleb's world.
Hey, Caleb. Want to know something cool? What? Being respectful makes everyone happier.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Be respectful every day in what we do and what we say. Use kind words, take your turn. There's so much we all can learn. Listening ears, gentle hands. That's how respect helps us stand. Be respectful, yes we can. Kind to every girl and man. Please and thank you, nice and sweet. Respect makes everyone feel neat. Say excuse me, wait your turn. Give some space, that's how we learn. Helping others when they fall. Respect is love for one and all. Different looks and different ways. Say, we respect each other everywhere. Be respectful, loud and clear. Kindness spreads when respect is here. Hands to ourselves, words that care. Respect shows love everywhere.
If you had fun learning with Cece and Caleb, please click that like button and subscribe to our channel.